Okay, guys, this is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge. What you're looking at my little buddy. He's 6 years old. He had sickle cell anemia or what they call falsemia in Spanish, and we're gonna talk about it and how I cured him of that using simple herbs. Okay. His mom gonna come and she's gonna explain certain things to you, so you know that all of these diseases that you have can be cured. The problem is, papi, tu nombre? ¿Cuál es tu nombre, papi?
Anton.
Anton. Antes tú enferma, ¿no? Muy enferma. I asked him if before he was very sick, and he said yes. Y ahora? Y now? No más? He said before he was very sick, and now he's not sick anymore. Mosha ayuda a ti, ¿sí? ¿Con qué Mosha ayuda? Con
Con bebida y mucho jugo.
He said that I help him with drink and the juice that I make for him. His mom just came. His mom name is Alta Gracia, right?
Yeah.
And she's gonna tell us a little bit what, how this came about. And she's right here, this beautiful young lady. That's his mom. Mi amor, so tell me in English because we got some people. He had falsemia in Spanish, right?
Yeah,
Falsemia is sickle cell anemia. And how long did he have it? How long?
When he was 8 months.
Wow, so when he was 8 months, he had it. And you had to take him to the doctor?
Yes.
And what they do?
We have to take him to the doctor every 3 or 4 months.
You hear that?
And we have to change his blood.
His blood.
Or put him because
Wow.
over his hemoglobin was in 5, 6. So then, when we start here, we meet you.
Yes, yes.
And you help us.
Thank you. So she's telling you guys, everybody who know anything about sickle cell anemia knows. How often you say you used to go? Every 3 months?
Every
to
3
clean his
and
blood.
4 months.
And what are the symptoms that you used to have? Very dangerous, right?
Yeah, and he was on like yellow face.
Yellow, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
He was sleeping a lot.
Yeah, and the eyes a little yellow
Yes,
too.
exactly.
That's
And
because the blood is too acidic, and there's a lot of. Hold on, let me pause. Okay, so a symptom, and so she's saying that his skin was yellow, his eyes was yellow, and when you have that, that's a symptom that the liver is not functioning properly. And so I explained to her what was the story, because when he was born, the umbilical cord was cut too soon, so the toxin in his body was not getting out of his body. So when I came and he wasn't here, I was shocked. They told me, oh, he's sick, he went to the doctor, his mom did. I felt bad. I said, you know what? I will help him for free. I told his father. I said, when his mom comes, let me talk to her because she speaks better English and I can explain it to her. And he was tired a lot?
yes, he was. And always, he started with hearts in his fingers, in his toes.
He has what?
Pain.
Oh, he has
Yeah,
pain.
a lot of pain
Yes.
in his body.
Yes.
And that's the way he has to be in the clinic
Yes.
for 3 or 4 days.
Wow.
And it was hard.
So it was tough for you. So he could have died, you know that, right?
Yeah.
He could have died at any moment. So I know the dangers of sickle cell anemia, and my background and my history in studying herbs and research. Ask her, a lot of times she tell me something. I said, that's easy, right?
Yeah.
Your mom is okay now?
Yeah, she is.
She's okay. So when I said to her, I will help him and I don't need no money because I feel God sent me here to help him. And so what I did that day before I get back to her is I told them I'm gonna go to the supermarket, I'm gonna buy some greens, right?
Exactly.
And I make it and I told him, give him this for 1 week. Now, after that protocol where he was drinking the herbs for what, about 3 weeks or a month?
2 weeks a month, yeah.
3 weeks a month. And you took him back to the doctor, what they said?
He's better.
You see that?
And we have 8 months that we don't put blood in.
You hear that, guys? So after that protocol that I gave her, and I told her what not to let him eat, and she followed me. She listens to me because she wants her son to be okay, and I felt really, really sad inside because he's such a sweet baby, right, Anton? Look at him. That's my
hi,
little
Anton.
buddy. Say hi to
Hi.
the. So that for me was my job in the Dominican Republic to heal a little boy. So he had sickle cell anemia. Those of you in America and all over the world knows the danger. And I cured that with the help of God and the herbs that I prescribed.
And the diet that
And
you
the
made
diet,
him.
yes.
Yeah.
I gave her a diet for him. And I told her after he's better, when the liver is stronger, she can feed him the stuff, but still be careful because he's not 100% yet. So, so he's cured. But before that, you used to have to go every 3 months, right?
Every 3 months. Now we have 8 months.
8 months since I fixed this little boy, cure his sickle cell anemia, and now he's fine. And guys, don't contact me for no medical thing. This is not a medical thing. These are my friends. And if go to your doctor if you have a problem, or if there's anything maybe I can help you, you text me and I'll see what I can do. But I only help these people. I have special people that I help, and they pay me a lot of money. And so I'm here to put this video for you guys to know that at Mosha we're gonna. Oh, by the way, she is the spouse for my favorite restaurant that I used to come and get my wakame. It's called Fusion Sushi Bar and Grill. There it is. Okay. So they have sushi here, the best sushi in Sasua, and she's awesome. She speaks perfect English, so when you come, you don't have to worry about English. So yeah, this is Mosha again coming to you from. You have anything else you want to say? She thanked me a lot, but she
Yes,
didn't give me
of
no
course.
kiss. It's okay. She's and so she. What else I wanted to say? What I want to tell her now is if there's any sign of any problem that he has, you let me know because I can. You take him to your doctor first.
Yes, we continue with his doctor.
His checkup. Yeah, but he's
everything
fine.
is okay.
Yes.
The pills, we don't give him more pills to
What?
him.
Tell
We
me
just
everything. Tell him
we
everything.
just give him the falciparum,
Yes.
because the falciparum
Yes.
are no in the right way. So
See.
that's the only thing we give.
You
him
hear
now.
that, guys? And
Yeah.
before, every 3 months or so, she had to be in the hospital to clean his blood like a kidney dialysis.
Yeah.
And because if she don't take the blood out and clean it, all the toxins which are in the blood will turn into sepsis and he will die. He can die in a minute. He used to have swellings in parts of the.
Yeah.
Okay, he used to get these swelling because what happens with a sickle cell is there is 3 things that creates life: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. And in that one cell, it's like a circle. And the acid or the mucus attacks that cell and breaks it. And so the carbon and the hydrogen gets out and it forms like what is called a C. So they cannot move, so they stop. And all the stuff, the blood, that's what causes the swelling in the body. But now he's perfect.
Yeah, it is. You see, now he was like 34 and 40 pounds, and
Yes.
now he's 54.
Guys, you hear that? He was 30. Yes, he was very skinny. So
Yeah.
now he's eating.
He's eating. His diet changed.
Yes,
his
good.
water and one
Yes.
that you told me.
Yes.
And he's better. He's
Thank
better.
God. I'm so
and
happy.
I am thankful with God and with you, Mosha, for
Thank-
help us
thank you.
and for love him.
Yes,
that we know
he's like
he
my
love you
son.
too.
Thank you, baby.
You know that.
I know that. I know you guys have love for me, and that's why. You know what was good is when I used to come here. You guys, before I reopened my restaurant, you guys never say, "Oh, Mosha, you gonna eat something?" I sit there. You said nothing, and if you had kicked me out of here, I would have never known that your son was sick, and I would have never be able to help him. So your attitude also helped. That was a blessing, and I thank you for giving me that opportunity. Because you didn't have to listen to me. A lot of people think I am some kind of quack or whatever. When I try to help people, they think, "Oh, Mosha don't know nothing." So because they don't know my background, because I don't
At the
talk about it.
beginning, there was a man that told me, "Don't believe of him."
You
and
see
I,
that?
And I told him, "No, my father said yes,
Ah,
because the natural things helps
Yes.
at a long time, but helps."
That's right.
And that what happened with him.
You see that?
Yeah.
You hear what she said? She said there was somebody who told her, "Don't believe me." And
Yeah.
look, she listens to me.
And I
Be-
listen, and that helped.
And that helped her son, or else he would have been in trouble. Because the older he gets, listen guys, sickle cell anemia, the older he will get, the worse it becomes. And what you become addicted to the medication, because there's two things going on with sickle cell anemia. The liver has to process everything, and while the liver is processing, it's also damaging the liver. So his poor little liver is so young, it's not developed, and this is what happened when he was born. The female intestine is 27 point something feet long. The man is 26. So that extra inch and a half or whatever is to facilitate the birth of a child and the waste matter that's inside the female. So when they cut the umbilical cord too soon, all of that waste that's in the mother and the baby doesn't come out. And so it stays in the liver and it stays in the body, and the liver can't process it. So it breaks the liver.
Exactly.
And that was what's happening.
Also, I can show you
Yes.
the diagnosis of
Yes.
when he was.
Go bring it. You can have it with you?
I don't have it here, but I'm gonna give you
I want
that
you
you
to-
can take a picture.
I want you to, yes, do that.
One when he was in 8 months.
Yeah, 8
and
months
then,
ago.
And then
Now.
once from now, and you can see the difference.
That would be perfect.
You know, because
As proof.
maybe us speaking,
It's not
nobody
in-
can,
they
can,
believe
can
me.
believe us.
I
but
agree with you.
Where I would show you the
Please.
people that it's true. It's not. It's
I'm
not
gonna
like,
do a part 3, and that's gonna be the analysis, guys. So she just offered to bring us the analysis of his condition before and after. And when she does that, I'm gonna do a part 3 of the video.
His hemoglobin was in 5.
Before.
Exactly, and now it's in 8, 9, 8.5.
My God.
7, 7.5.
Nice.
So it's better.
It's much better.
Yeah, it's much
So
better.
he's actually cured. It's just gonna
And
take
we
time.
just have 8 months. That's the way.
8 months. You see
Yeah,
that,
so-
guys? So it's not a quack thing here. It's the real thing that we're talking about. Because like I said, God sent me here to help this little baby. Because I felt that I go to sleep, I'm thinking about him. And I come here and I went and I buy the stuff for her. Yeah, she give me back the money. But I know they're so busy, they're not gonna have time because they're busy in their place. And so I did it myself to get them going. And right away, and he liked it too. He didn't mind. Sí, papi, a ti te gusta el jugo.
El
Yo
jugo
preparé
de
para
que sí.
Yeah. A ti te gusta el jugo, no?
Sí.
And he liked it because it was green juice, apple, and stuff like that. So she's gonna bring the juice. Anything else you wanna tell us about the?
Well, I'm very thankful with you.
Thank you, baby.
And I believe on your
Thank you.
process. I believe in all you make with us.
Thank you,
You help me also with my blood
With your
sugar.
blood sugar. Yes, I help
also
her.
too.
Yes.
So I'm feel better now.
Yes.
You remember I was a little
Gorda.
Gorda,
And now,
now-
and I gave her a diet.
exactly. I was 250 pounds.
Yes.
Then I try with the diet, and
And-
then I meet Mosha, and I eat better,
Uh-huh.
and I feel better.
And you a little lighter.
Exactly.
You see that?
You know,
guy?
I sometimes
See, I
eat
know
a
you
little,
cheat.
a little
But
cheese
yeah,
is
you
something
cheat,
that
but-
Mosha doesn't like, but
I don't like it, but you know, you pay the price when you eat something bad.